Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening accessories with a focus on the ProPad kneeling pad. Touted as one of the best gardening knee cushions available on the market. The ProPad kneeling pad by Red Home Club isn't just your average cushion, it's designed to provide optimal comfort and support. While kneeling during various activities, from gardening and household chores to exercise and yoga, this kneeling pad boasts a unique design that strikes the perfect balance between support and comfort, making it ideal for prolonged use. At 1.5 inches thick, it's thicker than many competitors, ensuring stability and preventing discomfort from hard surfaces. Beyond gardening, it serves well in baby baths, exercise routines, camping, and professional trades like plumbing or carpentry. Crafted from high-density, non-recycled foam, it's built to last and withstands rough outdoor terrain, ensuring longevity and minimal water absorption. Easy to carry with a built-in handle, it's designed for convenience and mobility wherever you need it. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a generous 1-year warranty, the ProPad ensures peace of mind with your purchase. Compared to similar products, the ProPad stands out for its superior comfort and durability, making it a top choice among gardening enthusiasts and professionals alike. That wraps up our review of the ProPad kneeling pad. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and comfortable solution for your gardening needs, look no further than the ProPad by Red Home Club. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening! Thank you for watching Product Critique. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of products that make your life easier and more enjoyable. Take care.